Hey, it's Chris and welcome back to another product review. So I'm browsing the old Amazon and I'm a person of substantial larger caliber.
Hey, do you have to call me fat?
In my own mind. And I am always in need of like a fan and power and cool things. When I came across this cool fan, now it's for camping, but it can be used for many other things. Check this out. Here's my Amazon receipt. This is the OGERY camping fan. You're thinking, I come to here for Amiga content. Why in the heck would I want to watch a camping fan? Well, I'll tell you why. Because it's cool. Check this out. Very simple. Oh, we got a cable. We have a bag. Take it out of the bag. Why would I be interested in this? Number one, because it's really cool. Literally, it's a fan. Number two, you can hang it in a tent or from something. It has a remote that sticks in the back here if you don't knock it over. We'll check it out in a second. It's rechargeable via USB-C. It also gives you a power outlet in the back here where you can charge crap from, like your phone. Now, it's got some knobs on the front here. Simple. Turn it on. How does it feel? It feels great. I'll tell you what, right now, sitting here, it's battery powered. It'll last 10 hours. And it came 75% charged. It also has the ability to have a remote, so you can turn it off. You can turn it on, set feed, set speed. It also has a light. Low, medium, high. Pretty cool. It also has night lights, so you can turn these off if you don't want any lights on. And I want my fan to run for sleep timer for 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. But I also want it to rotate 4 different angles. This is 30%, 60, 90, or 120. Automatic oscillation. Turn the fan down. It's pretty quiet. I'm wearing a lapel mic, so it's slightly more noisy because I'm right next to it. Let's increase the rotation here. 90. Should come right to me now. Oh yeah. No, this is 90, sorry. That's 90. Has little lights on the bottom. It's 90, really 90? 120. Don't know if it actually turns any more than that. Is that degrees? Or it looks like degrees, but I don't see any difference in oscillation from side to side. It says 120 degrees. So it's possible that the oscillator is not oscillating. It also has buttons on the front for turning off the thing, turning on the light, low, medium, high, setting the fan speed to the max. Ooh, there's the wind. It's putting out pretty good airflow. Or a sleep timer, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, or off. So why do I like this? Number one, it's portable. It's battery powered. It'll last 10 hours. And I can then keep it on my desk. I can take it with me to work. I can take it with me on trips in my car when I'm staying at a hotel. I'm a fan sleeper. So I need some white noise. And due to the fact that it's rechargeable, I can have it during a power outage. If you have a hot house and you need some airflow. I mean, it's a fan, what you would use a fan for. And a light. The light's cool because you can use it to light up your area when it's dark out. Pretty bright in my honest opinion. Let me tell you, one more light here. There we go. Pretty bright for a fan. And that's not even all, that's bright. That's all the way bright. That's all the way off. Pretty cool. Let's see how it does in charging something. USB-A, the fan is on, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. So the fan Number one, it's cool because it has a place in the back where you can stick the remote. Ta-da! Little holder. I think I'm in the wrong way. I'm in the wrong way. Rubber buttons outside. There we go. So you don't lose your remote. How many times have you had something with a daggone remote and you don't know where the remote is? Also, it totally tilts in any direction. If you're hanging this from a ceiling rafter or something with a hook, tent, you can have it rotate. This hook doesn't rotate, but it'll fold either side, locks in place. The remote. Let's do this. I'm gonna plug in a USB-A and I'm gonna plug in my phone. Instantly charges. The unit is not even on. No, it is on. It does show the battery length when I plug something into USB. So now during a power outage, I can charge my phone. I can use the fan while I'm charging. I have lights and a fan and power for my device. Low, medium, high, off. And let's do this. I'm gonna lay the fan down and hit the rotation here. Crank it up. Okay. While I'm charging, I've noticed it's reduced power. Let's unplug this. No change. Okay. Instant charging. It auto centers itself when you turn it off if it's on oscillation. And it starts in position 0. So it does reduce the fan power when you're charging. I'm gonna leave it on and plug it in. Let's see if it reduces. It does. So your fan power is reduced probably to 50%. What does it say? It says 100, but while it's plugged in, you have to turn it off and turn it on for full fan power. But you still have full functions to the lights and everything else. Remote control, infrared receiver in the front, simple knob, handle, to-go handle, portable, power station, and it says 18 watt output, and fast charging with most fast charger adapters, sold separately, but they're wall warts. At least it does give you a quality USB-C cable, C to C, with the orange protected high whatever input. Let's plug it in USB-C to my Mac. It does blink when it's charging. Turn on, it's still spinning down. So it blinks when it's charging. You can use it while it's charging. Full power, of course. And supposedly fast charging. Up to 18 watts, I guess. USB-C. Whatever that current puts out. I don't know what my computer is putting out. But that's pretty cool. OGERY camping fan. It's just literally called the camping fan. And, of course, it's available on Amazon. You're going to be seeing it on my channel because it's the model F11, by the way. It's $35 or $39. You can have it one day, but you know, Amazon Prime, you get all sorts of good deals. There's the actual product I got right there. $39. You can get it in black and green or black and orange. I chose black and orange because why not? 33% off. Amazon Prime. Got it in a day. I love all these camping fan accessories and cordless and wireless things because I'm all about power outages, from the Vitamin to the Jackery to now this. I do have also portable camp stoves and things like that. I would love to do a whole outdoor series on glamping with a tent and all sorts of stuff. I'm getting ready to go on a long trip to Tuscaloosa, Alabama, so I'll be recording that. This is going with me along with either the Jackery or the Vitamin for portable power, just in case, you never know. And I'll be vlogging that on the road trip. So thank you, OGERY, for making these things. I will put a link in the description below where you can get one. It's like 40 bucks. I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it, but I'm going to use this on a regular basis because it's nice to, you know, if I'm blowing solder smoke off of me, hey, solder sucker, flip it around. It's a solder fume extractor. Yeah, it's going to blow it into my room, but better than in my face. And I like the idea that it can charge and run. That's kind of cool. Let's see what the actual DC 12 volt output is. 12 volt at 1.7 amps. It also does 5 volt, 9 volt, or 12 volt. DC 5 volt, 3.1 amp. It has a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity battery. It does USB-C input on 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2 amp, or 12 volt, 1.5 amp. To charge this battery, the product runtime says it will run from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty cool. And I do not see anything about runtime. Regular cleaning, wipe the surface of dust. Make sure your crap isn't on your blades. You can pop off the front cover and clean the blades. The battery takes a 2032 cell for the remote. And you can also charge it on a 20 watt or 18 watt adapter, like a Raspberry Pi 5 adapter would charge this really fast. And that's it. Charge it full every 3 months. So it'll hold a battery charge for up to 3 months without use. But I'm going to be using this all the time. Thanks for watching. And as always, I hope you learned something.
Amazing. Drive Chris, keep the Amiga dream alive. Please consider joining the Patreon.
Yo, it's Big Snoop, D.O. double gear. Some people ask me, do I really know Dr. Chris? To which I say, hells yeah, I know him.
Thanks for checking this out. And as Dr. Chris says, thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something.
Wow, that was great. Please consider helping Dr. Chris.
Dr. Chris, he's the best there ever was. I can tell you that personally, besides me, of course.